Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
Yes. From Liquor Pot. And I just want the people them to know, you know. I made them say shoot up a police car. And rare, which the police them is telling a lie for me. Police them want to kill me for a long time. And they tell lie for me. Every day police come on my yard. Before even they say police officer get shot. Every day police come on my yard and say me wanted and left message with my people and say they want to kill me. And rare. A 2 years now I've been running from the police force for nothing at all. Barton police, Freeport police and the whole of them. I've been running for nothing at all. Nothing at all, Mr. Andrew the Holiness. Nothing. These men don't have anything to prove or anything. These men get everything that happen in Lukupot community. It's one man named Carl. Whether it's me or it's not me. Me no do nothing about no badness. Me no know nothing about no badness. Zin, and me 3 pitney them me I live for. Anybody can come in a liquor pot and ask. Everybody know who would shoot off of the police. The man them never hide and shoot off of the police. Zin, if body man done where police get shot off of, in the come good under everybody, they say, me no know nothing about no shooting or everything. People them tell in the come. These policemen still been coming. Say they want to kill me. And they want rare look for me in a full force. And rare say they want to kill me. And this and that me have to been running for my life in a bush. As you can see, in a bush me there. I run for my life, Mr. Andrew. What you gonna do about the state of emergency that you put in Mobile, Mr. Andrew? Because, listen, the state of emergency is not the problem, you know. But the police, them, is the problem, you know. Because if them are work with the law, you don't think that the community, them, would give out more information if the police, then, were working with the company. When I look now, I hear your house now. Boom, a police kick off your door. Boom, I say, where you want, officer? Boy, no ask me nothing. Boom, box you done. Kick you done. Rare. All the hell you go get information out of community from people when you deal with people so and approach people so. Right now, the police them come, they don't catch me. You know what they do? They lock up my mother, they lock up my father, they lock up my sister, they lock up my brother, they lock up my baby mother. For what me not know about? When the shooting a go on, me there at a bar, anybody can tell it. Me the right top side where shooting a go on. People on the scene where shooting go on when it's who. If people them attack, or who. So why police still a look for me? These men have something against me, wanna kill me about because they claim to say me and Bowser a friend. Who and Bowser never friend? Me and Bowser go to school and they charge me and Bowser giantly on a case. Who and Bowser wasn't friend? Tell me who and Bowser wasn't friend. Who Bowser never associate with? Who you tell me? Who Bowser never associate with? When you charge me and the man giantly, me and the man go all age school. When you never see me with no gun. When you never catch me with no gun. All I want to hear Bowser do. Me never did it. Me have to run out of my community and they are different community. And sitting because they come and liquor pot want kill me. How much police, much soldier. So Mr. Andrew, me a ask you, me want to know why because I'm an innocent man about to dead and the shooter still did it. The man who shot the police is still there. They don't want that man. It's me they want, the innocent man. No man, this not real. Police are grown and try to set up man life to kill man and try to put man wanted. Police has go as far as put up all my picture. And the whole community a chat about it. Mr. Andrew, whole community a chat about it. You can send somebody in a community, a probation or anything in a community to check out the shooting with the police. Everybody go tell us. Brown knows nothing about the shooting, and everybody in our community can swear for me, Mr. Andrew. Everybody. So yeah, man, I say no, man, I need enough to do something about this because I'm more than 20 years now. Police are trying to kill me. More than 20, me not chat about us today. Police come say me a member of schemers, gang, how much time and try to kill me, how much time I got jail. Me lawyer, he can't talk. Me spend so much money at jail till the last case. The last time I come out of jail, the lawyer said to me, say, man, I'll do what I need the money, man. Stay far from these man. One want me to do, me dey live for me tree, pitney them, me dey live righteous, me nah do nothing, me nah shoot nobody, me and nobody nah in a nothing. Anybody in a liquor pot can tell her. It's just police calling up my name, and nobody in a liquor pot a call up my name because everybody in a liquor pot knows say nah do nothing at all. Man, they just gone about them business, and if I know it about me youth, me and every youth live loving. Every single youth, me and every single youth live loving in a liquor pot. The man them claim to say me a done. Oh, me a done because everybody live loving, eh? Me not shoot off on nobody, everybody have something good to say about me. Me not follow no bad company and me alone walk, brother. I 3 pitney me get, 1 or 6. 1 or 4 months and 1 or 6 months old. And I come and take when me sick, when I take when my baby mother left in 6 months old baby. Eh? When he's a wicked man and I can't chat about rare people are wicked. Brother, this police force a bad man. An innocent man no one kill, and I be innocent people not kill, and people me a beg you know. I'm an innocent man. When you share and subscribe and like that video yeah, and pass around that video yeah. Cause me I tell you no brother, it's serious. And me I come out on social media with it now because I'm more than 20 years this year I go on. And I just know. Police want kill me for nothing at all. And Mr. Andrew can come in our community right now in a little pot or send and ask the people about police shooting. He not hide. The man them shoot the police, the man them no hide and shoot up the police car. A one man do it and he no hide. Everybody in our community knows who. He have to reach to the police them ears already. But no, you no want that the man there. A dagger on the one kill. Eh? Innocent man.
Alright viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one. And I just presented to you a video that shows of a person. And you know, that person is explaining about something where he's saying that he's being accused of a crime that he did not do, and that person went on to talk about other things as well, isn't it? Now viewers and subscribers, I listened to this video and I listened to what this person had to say, and you know, my opinion and my point of view about what this person had said, you see, is that if you should find yourself in the position where you're being accused of a crime and you are now probably on the list or wanted list or police want you, you see what I'm saying to you, which is the Jamaica police or so on, my advice is you should turn yourself into the necessary authorities, you see me? You can do so with your lawyer or a pastor, you know, like somebody accompany you to the police station or wherever, you see what I'm saying to you, and just try and deal with a matter like this legally, you see me? Because being on the run, right, if you find yourself being accused of somewhat of a crime and you're wanted and you're on the run, I do not think being on the run would be the best thing to do. All right, that can be dangerous for you and it can bring danger to persons that you love and probably other persons as well, is what I'm saying to you. So therefore, you know, I think that turning in yourself would be the best thing to do. All right, you see, if what this person had said turns out to be true, everything, you see me, then viewers and subscribers, this is really a bad situation, you know, for someone to find themselves in as an innocent person. And that is if what this person had said is true. You see what I'm saying to you? You see me? Because you can hear some of the things what this person has said, you know, it would seem as if this person fear for his life. You see me? Yeah, and yeah, viewers and subscribers, I present this video to you because this video is out on social media. This person went and put this video on social media trying to get the message out there as to what's going on. You see what I'm saying to you? Now I present this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a look at it. You can also tell me what you think as to what you have heard this person had said in the video. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, and until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.